But this is the one-on-one. You left?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. Sadly, this time I'm not riding. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, pretty much just garage and vlog type of videos. I did a lot of those when, I had my accident, but I was supposed to ride. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I mentioned that I was supposed to go on a group ride and had a big meet that I was going to, blah, blah, blah. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you probably saw a lot of the crazy cars in the meet that I saw and stuff like that. It's a bunch of hypercars and crazy stuff. The plan was to ride, but then a couple of my friends rode there and both of them got tickets for loud exhausts, and their exhausts are not like nearly as loud as the H2s. So I figured if I go there, there's literally like a 99% chance of me getting pulled over. Initially, I wanted to go check it out in the car, in the Tesla, since it's super quiet, and see how it is, and maybe like come back, get my bike, and go there again. As soon as I got there, saw how hectic it is, and there's literally like I've probably seen more than like 20 cop bikes and cars pulling over literally everyone, from BMWs to Hellcats to bikes. So it's pretty hectic. I really wanted to take the H2. It would have fitted in that meet like really well, but sadly I kind of like played it safe, and I didn't want to get a ticket because it was almost like a guaranteed ticket. Since I was already there, I was like, whatever, I'll just like film all the crazy cars that I saw over there. There's literally probably like more than $30 million US dollars in cars just in one little section. So it's hectic. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Sorry for not riding there. I was really excited for that meet because it's a very big event and I really wanted to ride there, but plans changed last second. So hope you guys still like the content of that meet, and I'll see you back on the bike very soon, so don't worry. And before I go, I'm gonna give you guys a couple cold stars, because come on, it's not a video in this channel if I don't give you guys a cold start, right? We'll start with the R1M. Now I am confident that my neighbors hate me, so I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Thank you so much for watching, and like the video if you did enjoy seeing all those crazy hypercars and crazy stuff. Peace out.
Settle down in the place of dreams, float away in the scene of within your heart. You can find what I despise within your mind. All the digits have been made up. You believe what they say. Through the heartache, I was stargaze. No invasion today. We've come this far, through wind and rain alone. So take your chances to embrace the waterfall.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Fada, fada. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.